It is Mayapur. At night it looks so marvelous, so beautiful. Every day lakhs and lakhs people come and visit this temple and also stay nearby areas. If you come at night, the scenario and the scene of this temple so charming, so attractive and so marvelous. For school tour purpose, I have also come here and also visit this temple campus and sightseeing also. It's a so large temple. There are so many temples here. ISKCON temple is also present here, and all types of people belong to foreign people also. Foreign devotees are also there, and they come and they also stay here for Nam Sankirtan. Mahaprabhu Chaitanya and Sri Krishna, Radha, and they worship them with great honor and respect. It's a total view.